So good morning everybody. We are here on an urbanisation called Campusol down in the southern part of Spain on the Costa Calida near the port of Matheron, and we're only 30 minutes drive from Murcia International Airport, as well as 20 minutes, sorry guys, to several beaches. I've got a beautiful home here to show you today. It's a Neptune Rubi, so come and join me and we walk around this gorgeous home. So guys, this is the property that we're having a look at, so let's go inside and have a look. You have a pedestrian gate as well as a driveway gate. So this is the garden, and I'm going to show you this at a different angle. Now I wanted to show you this at a different angle because it's ample room to put a pool in the front of the property. There is a power socket to the side here as well, but again you have ample room to put a beautiful pool at the back of the property. So let me take you around the front now and we'll walk around the house. It's really just to get the feel of the dimensions of this property and the outside space. So let's go inside and we have a look around this lovely home, and then we'll go out the kitchen and out into the back garden where there's beautiful established plants and trees. So you've got about 2 steps here, so easy access to the property here, and this D section is enclosed. So this is the D section, and as you can see it is enclosed. You've got your beautiful decorative balustrade there as well. Lovely section where you can open the windows and let those summer breezes come through in the hot summers. You have got a ceiling light and fan there as well. So I'm going to take you inside and we'll go inside into the property. And just here you have your dining room table. Your kitchen is through that archway off there, and as I pan around you've got this beautiful, very large living space, as you can see, and you have a feature fireplace there which has been closed up, but I'm sure you could open it up again. Okay, now just behind the door, just show you quickly, you have got overhead storage and a double wardrobe. I do like the way they've done the wardrobe. It looks very shabby chic. And I'm going to take you around here. And we're going to go through this archway here of the property. And we're going to look at the bedrooms and the family bathrooms. Now in here to my left is a double bedroom, but it is being used as an office, as you can see. Done out very well, so if anyone wanted to work from home they could do. Okay, I'll show you the room at a different angle. And just here you have a double wardrobe with overhead storage again, and you've got your ceiling light and fan. So just go through here, and this is like a link corridor which links the other bedrooms and the bathroom. You have a single wardrobe and overhead storage in front of me, and you've got a standard light fitting above. Very well maintained property. And just in here you have a shower room. As you can see, it's frosted glass window, modern shower with a semi-frosted glass shower screen. Your WC, your vanity unit, and all new floor tiles and tiling throughout. Up above you have got spotlights. Now if I just come in here and I turn around quickly, you can see that there is an overhead heater just above there. All right. Now, if I go through here, just going into the master bedroom through the archway here, and you have an overhead storage and a large double wardrobe. As we walk through, you have a beautiful bedroom. you have ceiling light and fan and aircon. And I just pan around and you can see you've got a double wardrobe with overhead storage just there. Now if I come over at a different angle altogether, you will see there is an ensuite. So we'll have a look at the ensuite now. And you have some lovely new tiles in the bathroom. You've got a vanity unit, WC, your mirror, frosted glass window, and you have a bath and a shower here. Okay, just above you got spotlights. As I come in here, just to give you a glimpse of the shower and of the bath, just to give you a feel for it. Okay, you've also got these nice frosted, semi-frosted glass, shower glass there that closes over. So we go back out and go around, and just in here we go into the next bedroom. So just in here is a lovely room, nice bright and airy, and it seems to get the sunshine in here. Nice large double bedroom. Now if I go around here at a different angle, pan around, you can see you have overhead storage and a double wardrobe. Good sized double bedroom, and it overlooks the garden. You've also got a ceiling light and fan just above there. So let's go out and around. Now I'm just going to take you in and around, back into this very spacious living room. And over here is the dining area. As you can see, you've got your ceiling light and fan and aircon in here. So as we go through, this is archway leads to the kitchen. Kitchen is a galley kitchen with plenty of top and base units. It has integrated gas hob and electric oven, your washing machine, small fridge freezer, plenty of worktop space, sink and drainer, and a large fridge freezer just there as well. You have spotlights also. I'm just going to pan around for you, just to give you a feel. And of course the kitchen leads off to that dining area out there. All right. So I'm going to take you outside into the back door. I'm going to go upstairs into the garden. So guys, as you can see, lovely sunny day, and we got some gorgeous plants in bloom here. And look at that orange laden tree there, absolutely stunning. I'm going to take you upstairs now to the rooftop solarium, and we'll have a look up there. This is a nice private area where you can do private sunbathing if you like. So see you at the top of the stairs, guys. At the top of the stairs now, and as you can see, you can have private sunbathing up here, and there are storage areas here as well, which go right under the eaves. I'm going to bring you over here and I'm going to show you the mountain views. Absolutely stunning. And we do, believe it or not, have a little bit of sun on the mountains today, because it is winter obviously. Going to home in on that. See that backdrop, isn't that beautiful? And of course you've just got the golf club just there. You literally walk to the end of the road and you can walk over to the golf club. So you can imagine just lying there with your can of beer, and you have your storage units there. I don't know if they're open. No, take my word for it. They are the width of this roof, so quite deep. So let's go back downstairs now. And we go down the stairs. I'll see you at the bottom of the staircase, guys. Let me take you around to the sides of the property. So look at those beautiful blue skies. Now just here we have a shed. You can have it for your garden tools, or you can turn it into a bar or a man cave, whatever you want it. So as you can see, there is a beautiful garden behind here. Just like the front, where it's quite ample at the front. You could put a pool in the front, but you could also put a pool in the back garden as well. The walls are raised for privacy, and you have some beautiful mature plants and trees. This looks like a willow tree here. It looks absolutely stunning with the sun trying to break through. You could have nice chairs under there, couldn't you? So as you can see, all the walls are raised for privacy, as I've said, and you've got another garden shed just there. It's quite a large outside space. And you could imagine just having could have a large pool in there if you wanted. And just here, it's just under the stairs. Oh, it's closed. But that is just a shed under the stairs. So I've just managed to get this open, and as you can see, there's a gas boiler in here, and that's for the gas hob and keeps your gas bottles in. And as you know, you should always keep your gas bottles out of the direct heat, you know. So I'm just going to shut that again. And let's take a walk around here. Beautiful plants, look at that. Absolutely stunning. More storage. And of course a pussycat. And this leads to the front of the property again. So I'm just going to take you around. And of course you've got the cover for the car. And we're back out. And this road is a pretty quiet road, except for the beep beep man who comes around. And in the winter we have the gas man comes around with the bottles as well. And it's about €18 for a gas bottle. So this is a beautiful area, really nice and quiet street, you know, and this is a fabulous Neptune Rubi. It has ample room for a pool to the front or to the back, whichever you choose, and very nicely raised walls, so for your privacy. And if you like some private sunbathing, you can do that up on your rooftop solarium. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and any of the team at To Let To Sell To Buy will help you out. Don't forget to check out their website. So if you're looking at information on how the process of buying goes through, you can find it on there, okay? So at the end of this video, in the title of the video will be the reference number. So if you contact the agent, don't forget to mention the reference number of this property. All right, so until the next time, have a great day.